Hey everyone, trying to log out of Facebook Messenger but can't find a logout button? Well, Messenger doesn't include a direct logout option in the app. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Messenger without switching accounts, using simple steps for both Android and iPhone. Let's get started. Important, since Messenger doesn't offer a built-in logout button, we'll log out by signing out of the Facebook app, which disconnects Messenger too. Here's how to do it. Open the Facebook app on your phone, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select the logout option. Once logged out of Facebook, you'll also be logged out of Messenger. Now open the Messenger app again. It will prompt you to log in, confirming you've successfully logged out. And that's it. That's how you log out of Facebook Messenger without needing to switch accounts or delete the app. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Messenger tips. Thanks for watching.